everyone, welcome to the church channel. This is Kalechi, and today we're going to be going over the installation for the front license plate bracket. If you want to grab this, you can go to churchchannel.com. We have several products for sale. If you want a discount on this item, look to the website right on the top there. It says additional discounts. Go ahead and click on that. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and just follow the instructions on that page, and we'll send you a link to retrieve your coupon and discount codes. All right, let's get into it. Today we're going to talk about getting the license plate bracket installed on the Bronco. If you kind of see here, there are little spots here that they want folks to drill holes to mount this thing, right? I don't like the way that looks, and today we're going to not do that. We're going to put it right here. So this is what you're going to need. You're going to need a Torx T40 Bit. So again, I talked about this on my previous videos. I bought this from Amazon. It has a set of Torx bits that actually work for the Bronco. So a ratchet. So I got that already set up. I already started pulling them out. You only need to take this one out and that one out because of the bracket. So let's and then an Allen key. So let's open this up and see what's inside. It comes with all the mounting hardware that you need. All right, there you go. Oh, there it is, right there. Let's get the screws out. All right, so these require an Allen bit or Allen key. All right, so let's take the plate out. Nice and sturdy. That's gonna go like that. All right. So we can tighten this one back in there. Don't think we're gonna need it. That's how that's gonna look. So now we're gonna tighten that with our Torx T40 bit. It comes with two pieces, so one for the front and one for the back of the vehicle. All right, so let's take a look at that. So this is what the back looks like with that frame. You can kind of see it slid in there, and then these are covering the screws up. So once you're done, you just clip that on. So put that in the frame. You kind of see how it's set up there, and that's gonna go right on there. And then we're gonna use those clips and cover up the screws. So that's how that is set up. Okay, let me take it out so you can see what I did here. So we have a plastic piece right here that's going to help us conceal the screw. That's going to go in like that. And that's going to go right there. It's going to go up there, and then from the back we're going to use the nut to screw it in. So let's get that done. All right, to wrap up this video, we're going to use the end caps to cover up the 4 screws. We looked at 2 items in this video, and now we're going to review those items. First one is going to be the frame, and the next one is going to be the bracket. So for the frame, you can kind of see the end there. It's a little bit flimsy, so that's going to impact the review. So let's start with installation. Installation is pretty straightforward. That's a 10 out of 10 for installation. For durability, we're going to give that an 8 out of 10. Could have been better, but it'll hold up. Appearance, we're going to also give that an 8 out of 10. Looked good. And then for utility and usefulness, pretty straightforward. That's going to be a 10 out of 10 for a total score of corundum. Next, we're going to look at our license plate bracket. For the license plate bracket, we know that it's made of a pretty sturdy aluminum that is powder coated. And so for that one, for installation, we're going to give it a 10 out of 10. It's pretty straightforward. For durability, that's going to be a 10 out of 10. Look like it's going to last. Appearance, it looked very good. That's going to be a 10 out of 10. Utility and usefulness did what it's supposed to do, and that is also a 10 out of 10. So this item is the first item that's going to receive a full 10 out of 10 all the way through, and that's going to give it a score of diamond. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in this item, please take a look at churchchannel.com. We offer discounts to our subscribers, and look to see you on the trail sometime soon. Take care. Thank you for watching.